Hey Seekers! We are Matt and Angie, the queer couple aiming to try the best vegan food in Italy. Most of the times we're really successful, but there have been also some fails on our journey. So stick with us to see if Palermo is up for the challenge.
Hi Seekers! Another day, another food tour.
And this time of Palermo! There are so many vegan options here that we decided to start the previous evening and we cannot wait, guys. Amazing. We are just arrived near the restaurant, the first restaurant. The road to get here was
A chaos.
yeah, exactly. Crazy. I cannot tell you how crazy it was. People coming from all over and really chaotic.
Yeah.
And of course we are late, as usual.
The first stop of this amazing food tour is Haiku.
There. Typical Sicilian caponata, which we order it as an antipasto, but it can be also a main course. And let's try it. It's so good. It's sweet and sour at the same time. It's usually made with eggplant, the waitress told us, but they made it with the artichokes and it's really, really tasty.
Let's try the spaghetti alla siciliana. It's so tasty and also crunchy for the pangrattato. Yeah, very, very good. This one is artichoke con la tappa. Let's try it. It's so tasty, and the artichoke, it's very, very soft. It's so good.
This one is a crepe with hazelnut cream, and I love crepes, and it's been a lifetime since I ate one, and I cannot wait to try it. It looks delicious and super filled. I cannot wait. The hazelnut cream is so delicious. The crepe actually feels like a regular crepe. It's really, really good. I want to try also the whipped cream. No way. It's sweet, but not too strong. It's really, really nice. Perfect combo. This other one instead is a pie with a mousse of pistachio. I'm not a huge fan of pistachios, but I thought we are in Sicily and we gotta try it.
But Angie is a very, very fan of pistachio.
She loves pistachio. I'm more on the chocolate side. And it looks great. It looks super, I don't know, fatty. Let's try it. Super, because the mousse is super, super soft. It's like a cloud, and instead the base is it resembles a biscuit. It looks like something that would be more, you know, like the roll cakes that have like dates and mixed nuts. Instead, this one, it looks more like a biscuit. It's not that crunchy, but the taste, it's really like a biscuit. Really, really good. So you have also her opinion.
Matt was so right. The cream is like a cloud, and the base of biscuits is very, very good. So approved.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
The food was really, really great. Let's say, usually we are getting used to really friendly people, like super enthusiastic of our journey, of everything, and
It's not this case.
yeah, they were a little bit skeptical of us filming, and they were looking at us, and at the end she was nicer.
Nice, yeah.
Like, let's say, warmer, like more welcoming.
Yeah.
But before, not so much.
Not so much, yeah.
Anyway, the food,
Are very, very good.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
nice.
we really enjoyed it, and we paid 57 euros.
We didn't take the wine.
Yeah, this time we didn't take the wine. So let's say the price were more expensive than what we thought we could have found in the south of
Yeah.
Italy. Because we have this conception in Italy that in the south the food is less expensive, even in restaurants. And instead, the restaurants we are trying, also in Sardinia and here in Palermo, the first one, are quite pricey. Like, let's say, like a regular priced in Tuscany or in the north. So yeah, we were hoping for less expensive restaurants, but probably is also because we go only in vegan restaurants.
And maybe
Maybe in
more
a
pricey.
trattoria,
Yeah.
maybe in a trattoria or like a local kind of restaurant. You spend less.
Yeah.
But that's not what we are looking for. As we told you, we prefer to
Spend a little more and have a vegan
vegan
food.
experience. The carciofo, the artichoke was
Amazing.
great, and the pasta, super.
Yeah. Very, very super.
Now, good night. See you tomorrow. Hey seekers, good morning.
Good morning.
After some needed rest, we are so ready to embark on this food tour.
I'm not sure I'm ready.
Why? Too much food?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
We are just arrived in our breakfast spot, which is towards Beakery. It's not a vegan bakery, but it has a lot of options. So let's try it. There were 3 vegan options, and we choose the sucker. The chocolate and the jam are very tasty. The pan di Spagna is soft. I have tried better one, but it is not bad.
Worse than the one in Bologna?
Yeah.
I have a different opinion. It's not the best, but it's definitely really tasty and really good. The other one was more like homemade, you can tell. This one, it looks like more like a American kind of pie, like more industrial, but it's really, really good. Really sugary too. So, what do you think?
I like it, but I don't love it.
Yeah, it was not great. I mean, the presentation was not great, and if you were going there without knowing that they had vegan cakes, you couldn't tell because it was not advertised properly. I think they should improve this thing, like telling more loudly that they have vegan cakes,
Yeah.
instead of just letting you hint it. And the cake itself was really nice, and overall a great experience.
We spent 6 euros, and the price is
Okay.
It's okay, yeah.
I would say it's okay.
4
And-
euros for the cake and 1 euro each for the coffee.
Yeah, fine. And they accepted American Express.
Yeah,
so that's
approved.
a plus.
We are supposed to eat right now, but Google Maps gave us the wrong position of the lunch spot, so we must walk.
It's crazy because it tells you that it's in one place in Palermo. If you watch on the website, you see the right address, but once you click on Give Me Directions, it sends you in another place. So we are on the opposite side of the city center.
We must walk 3 kilometers away and
Then come back. Because it's literally on the other side of the city center. We do it for you. No, also
no,
for us.
For us. We do it for us. So, let's go.
We may have found a way to get to our lunch spot way faster. And since we saw that there's a free trial of 20 minutes, we are probably gonna take advantage of that. Am I right? She's downloading the app.
So right. Our lunch destination is Matteotti Caffè. It's not a vegan restaurant, but they have a lot of vegan options and typical Sicilian food. So let's try it.
Even though this place is not completely vegan, what is really cool is that they do not use any butter and prosciutto, but instead they use olive oil. So all the sweets are vegan, or most of them.
I start with spincione. It's a typical Sicilian food. Let's try.
How is it?
The taste is very good. It's like tomato sauce with the spicy, and the bread is very soft, but also crunchy on the border. So very good.
This other one instead is with radicchio. Let's try it. The bread looks like pan brioche, and it's super soft but tasty at the same time. It's really good, and oily. Also super.
This is also pan brioche with mushroom and bechamel. The pan brioche is like the other one, but the filling is very tasty, and the bechamel is so light, very good. I like it.
This other one instead is filled with a cream of pistachio, and I cannot wait to try it. Look at it. It's filled.
Lovely.
Matteotti Caffè was
Amazing.
really great. The total lunch for two, we are in the south finally, costed us €8.90.
And it's great.
Yeah, they were super big, like the panini. They were super big, yeah, and really delicious. So cheap
approved.
And really great. Our last stop of this amazing vegan food tour of Palermo is aTipico, which is a completely vegan restaurant, and we have something special for this last stop. Let's go. My drink is the Panama Mule, which has rum, some agrumes, and passion fruit and ginger beer. Look how cute it is. Cheese. It's so good. There's a little bit of bitter behind, and it's sweet at the same time. It's really, really good and fresh.
I've chosen the Ganesha, which has vodka, mango, lime, sugar, pepper bitter, and soda. Let's try it. Ooh, it's so good because there is the sweetness of mango, but also the acidity of the lime, and the pepper, the spicy of the pepper is very, very good. I love it.
We chose the aperitivo, and this big tagliere is for just one person. So imagine that. There are many typical dishes in this antipasto. Here we can find the pasta that we actually ate yesterday. It's pasta alla siciliana, but this one is with the tomato, and this one is from South America. I don't remember the name exactly, but it's like chicken, fried chicken with some kind of herbs. This one is caponata, olives, sandwich, and these two bruschettas, and also there are many things. I'm gonna try the pasta to compare with the one from yesterday. Let's try this one. Better. It's really good. With the tomato, gets the flavor in your mouth, and it's really, really good. And then for another, the caponata that we ate also yesterday, but this one is with the eggplant instead of artichoke. The aftertaste is there, like the other from yesterday, because it's sweet, but at the same time it has a balsamic aftertaste. This one is really good too. And now let's enjoy it. This one is the tofu fish, the vegan version of the fish and chips. So it does look amazing. Let's try it. No way. It's not real. Seekers, it's amazing. I'm gonna try with the... This one is mayo. This one is a green sauce. It's really, really good. It's amazing. You'll love it. Seekers, we loved this place. It was amazing. No, really. Even the owners and the people working there were super friendly. The opposite of where we found in our first stop.
Yeah. And
really, you feel like the warmth of people from the south.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was
very, very good. They was so friendly. I love it.
Yeah, I love it so much. The food was amazing. The cocktails were great.
And they offer us a digestivo.
Yeah, a little shot, which was really, really good too.
Yeah.
A vegan Irish whiskey. So definitely, if you come to Palermo, come to this place.
Come to aTipico.
Yeah. And overall, if you are vegan and if you are worried of coming to Palermo because you are worried of do not be able to find any vegan options, do not worry, because it's full of vegan places with amazing options.
Absolutely.
We couldn't even try them all, but the ones that we tried were all great, and
we love it.
Yeah, come to Palermo and be vegan, because animals and planet deserve that. I'm a little bit cheesy.
So the food tour and here.
Yeah.
and we are so grateful and full of food.
Exactly. We love you guys.
Bye.
Bye, Seekers.